Have you ever feel something like that? You have lost yourself. You have lost yourself in the crowd. You are not finding where you are, or you are thinking that you are no one of yourself. Maybe you are thinking that everyone is out past yourself and you are still in the bottom of the rank. You are thinking you should be better, you should focus on the task, you should do something yourself, but you cannot grow, you cannot think beyond your position. The situation, the environment, the surrounding of yourself is different. You cannot even surpass themselves. Today, I am going to share a story about finding yourself, the true power that hold inside you, that is cherishing for long time, but you are not getting things from it. You don't know what is your true power. The story of today is, I think, going to be very interesting. This story will give you a lesson about finding your true power, finding your hidden potential. So let's begin with the story. The story about a man who lived in a village surrounded by hill. The man named Ethan. Ethan is a 45 years old. He lived in a quiet village. He ran chicken farm. His his village people always found that he he cherish or take care good quality chicken. People around him and people from far distance come here to purchase good quality chicken. He always take care of his chicken very carefully. One day, when Ethan was walking in a hilly area, he found a big size egg. He don't know what is the egg, what type of bird or hen it is. He found the egg and take it. He thought it's a different kind of eggs. I never seen it earlier. So if I hatch this, maybe a different type of chicken will grow. Maybe people will love it and I can enlarge or enhance its legacy. So he take the leg, hen, egg and back to his house. He put the egg under a hen. The hen was sitting there with some other chicken eggs to hatch it. With other chicken eggs, he put and placed the wandering new eggs. Day passes. With few days, after passing few days, the chicken start getting out of the shell of the egg. With the chicken eggs, the new eggs he had brought from the jungle is also hatched. But the size is bigger comparatively other chicken, baby chicken, a bit bizarre and different type of shape, but Ethan feel that this chicken is a different type of chicken. Its size is giant comparatively a normal chicken. So he never feel that it is not a chicken. Ethan start believing that this is a different type of forest chicken, maybe a better version of chicken, and he was taking care of it specially. He give more food, more food to the chicken so that he can grow more faster. Time passes. The new chicken behave the same as other chicken do. Baby chicken collect grain with his mouth and eat one after one. He follow the other. He follow the mother chicken. Take food the same way he take food. Eat the same food they eat. Its growth is more than double comparatively with other chicken. Ethan feel joy that I get a different varieties of chicken, and if I can grow it, then I can make a better farm. One day, a old man, 70 years old man, Daniel, come here to visit the farm. He found that a different type of chicken is roaming around. His eye was open, larger, big. Ethan, what you did? Why you are growing a eagle with the chicken? Ethan was shocked. What you are talking about? The old man said, Ethan, this is not chicken. This one is a eagle. This is the rarest eagle. It is a giant size eagle. But Ethan was reluctant to believe. He said, I never found this type of eagle here. It is a different type of chicken. It's another varieties of chicken. The wise man, the wise one said, no, it was a eagle and I can prove it. Ethan said, you don't need to prove it. I know it is a chicken. So why you are forcing me? The wise one said, son, it is not the place of an eagle to live with chicken. He has different purpose. So you have to believe it. I don't believe that. Look at this. It is eating the same way the chicken eat. It walk the same way chicken walk. It sleep the same place the chickens sleep. So why you are finding a difference? The wise one said, give me one day, I will prove it. Ethan said, okay, then prove it. Next day, the wise one come in the morning and take the eagle with him. No rush, no jumping, no fly. It was just walking like chicken, and the wise one hold it, grab it, and say, "You are the powerful eagle. Your place is on the sky. You are the king of the sky. Why you are here? You should fly. You should conquer the sky. Not here." But no change. Ethan was standing there. "What are you doing? Are you going to teach my chicken to fly?" The wise one keep put the the eagle the baby chicken, big giant chicken on his hand and throw it in the sky, but it cannot fly, just fall on the ground, saying like chicken. This parrot, wise one, said, "I have to try again." So he keep trying for one more time, nothing happened. Again, one more time, nothing happened. Ethan said, "Okay, you have did lot. I think I got the proof that this one is a chicken egg. Chicken. So don't waste your time. You are wanting to prove it that it is a eagle. You found it is not walking, acting the same way. It is acting like and the with the long face, the wise one leave. Next morning, the wise people again come. "Again you have come to disturb me, disturb my good chicken. Please, son, give me another chance. I want to give another try. This is the last time. Do it or go back." Ethan show his anger. This time, the wise one lived on the second floor of his building and tried to throw it in the sky. But with several try, nothing happened. It acted like the same way it was acting earlier. Ethan said, "Have you done your work? I, sh- I have said earlier that this one is a chicken. You are forcing again and again. I don't want you to prove it. I don't need anyone. So please pardon me." But the wise one again begged, "Son, please give me another day. If I cannot prove it by tomorrow, I will not bother you anymore." Okay. Next day, the wise one come with more hope in his chest. He take the chicken, he take the giant chicken, what he was believed that it was a eagle. He take it and go to far away, top of the hill. Ethan was with him. He stand on the cliff of the hill. He's whispering in his eye in ear that today the time of yours. If you cannot fly on the sky, cannot conquer the sky, you are going to end it up with the same way the chicken. You believe on yourself. You are the eagle, the rarest eagle. You are the king of the sky. So fly, spread your wings in the air and fly. He threw the eagle into the yard from high cliff. The eagle this time spread his wings, giant wings, and start flying high after high after high. The wise one start saying that, son, found this? This is the real one. It is the place of him. He live on the sky. He is the king of the sky and he conquered the sky. The story of today give three powerful lesson. Lesson number one. If you live in an environment, you will forget what you are. Your environments matter. Second, people around you will believe you are the one who is your surroundings. Third, if someone believes on you, give the opportunity to grow, then you will figure out the power of yourself. So dear viewers, figure out your hidden potential. If you find out the hidden potential of yourself, you will one day conquer your kingdom. You will be the king of your territory. So, dear viewer, thank you for watching this video. You know, each day I make videos just to practice my speaking. I practice not because I want to teach you, but if you get something, some knowledge from the story, then I believe it will be additional benefit for me. And I believe that story help you a bit. If don't, I think leave it. And you know, I am making this video just for practice. I know I am not good at speaking. I make lots of mistakes in pronunciation, grammars, spelling, and anything. My gesture, posture may be wrong, but I am trying. In this practice, you are with me. So thank you for supporting me. From tomorrow, my Eid vacation is going to start, and I think around 7 or 8 days, it will be very difficult for me to make videos as I will be in the village, and you know, it is very difficult. You are making videos in the village area, but if I get time, I will try. Whatever I feel like that it will be very difficult for me. So thank you for watching this video. Next video I will come. I will try as much earlier. I should start again. And till then, be happy, stay happy, keep ourselves happy. Have Eid Mubarak to everyone. Enjoy your life. Enjoy this vacation. Enjoy the Eid with your family, friends, everyone. So take care of yourself. Take care of your fathers, your mother, your family. So till then, be happy, stay happy, and keep others happy. Thank you for today.